distribution fuse box. The apparatus that we use in our project is main switch, third decade circuit breaker, and initial circuit breaker. And this is body distribution fuse box, and this is cover distribution fuse box. And I will introduce what wire we will use 2.5mm wires, which is this is neutral wire, light wire, and this is earth wire. Okay, first thing, we must put main switch on the body distribution fuse box. Second, we must put the LCB beside the main switch. And third, we must put MCB current 6 and current 16 beside the ELCB. And don't forget to lock all the units. Firstly, put the live wire from main switch to the live socket on the ELCB.
And put the natural wire from the main switch to the LCB socket for natural. From the bottom of the LCB, start with the natural wire to the natural slot.
Then, from the bottom of the ELCB, start with live to the MCB 16. Then, from the bottom of the ELCB, start with live wire to the MCB current 16. After that, from current 16 to the MCB current 6. Then, put the live wire to the bottom of main switch. Then, put the natural wire on the bottom of the whole natural. Then, put the earth wire into the slot to the bottom of the distribution fuse box.
Make sure to check the fuse before insert into the DFB, and then insert it into the main switch. Close the main switch neatly, and then take the probes from the multimeters and put it. You must on the MCB. So the pointer reading shows that on the multimeter. So just you can read it on the multimeter. And then put the probes on the next MCB, which is 16, C16. Then on the MCB. And then you can see the pointer reading is pointing to the number. And then ELCB, you make it as a short circuit